Don't let your collection page stay basic. Make it more clickable by adding a promotion block like this. Open the OT Themes Sections app, go to the library, and search for Collection. Then find Featured Collection number 4. You can preview the demo and add it to your theme. Next, head to the theme editor and add the section. Customize it by adding your image, collection, and links. As you can see in this example, the title card looks a bit too large. Let's fix that. Now you've got a collection with a built-in promotional highlight. Try it out and see how it can boost your conversions. Find us on the Shopify App Store